Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Ecolite off campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is software developer, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, it is 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. So it depends on both freshers as well as experienced graduates. And the last date to apply for the job role, it is 3rd January 2022, and the job location or the work location, it is Mumbai, that is India. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BE or BTech or ME or MTech or MCA or MSc graduates are eligible to apply. And the branch or the streams eligible, it is either computer science, information technology or any other CS related fields, and electronics and communication, mechanical or any other circuit branches are eligible to apply. And the batch or the year of pass out, it should be 2022, or any other batches are also eligible to apply. And the percentage criteria, it should be 60% or 6.5 CGPA throughout in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation. So the next thing is the salary structure. So during the intern, so the stipend during the internship for the 6 months, it will be 20,000 per month, and post completion of the training and based on your performance, the salary or the CTC, it will be increased to either 5 LPA or it can be 8 LPA. So between 5 LPA to 8 LPA, and you'll be getting a bonus up to 3 lakhs per annum. So this is the salary structure. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. You need to have strong technical knowledge of the front end like JavaScript, HTML or CSS, and excellent knowledge of SQL and good knowledge of regular expressions, as well as you need to be strong in data structures as well as algorithms, and also the object oriented programming, so OOPS concepts. And you need to have knowledge of any of the programming languages such as it can be C or C++, Python or Java. So these are the four programming languages preferred. So the next thing is the different job responsibilities. You need to be involved in software development lifecycle, and also you need to comply the coding standards as well as involve in technical design, and you need to work closely with the analysts, designers as well as peer developers, and also you need to actually participate in troubleshooting, debugging as well as updating the current live system. So this is the overall job responsibilities. So then coming to the selection process, there are three different rounds. You can say there are totally four rounds. The first round is the Ecolite qualifier test, in which there will be MCQ questions as well as coding round. And the candidates who qualify for the first round, there will be technical interview. So there will be two technical interview 1 as well as technical interview 2. So later there will be HR interview. So these are the rounds included, and the last thing is there will be offer rollout. So these are the overall rounds included in the selection process. So then coming to the application link, it's a simple Google document form in which you can fill your basic details, your name, your email ID, your phone number, and your percentage criteria, everything, and your education details. And after that, you need to be willing to join immediately, that is after the situation, COVID situation. And you need to choose the programming language for the coding, either C, C++, Java, or Python. So after that, you can fill all the details and submit the application form. So the link will be available in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe the channel for more updates.